Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this VW transporter in for a round of handling upgrades. So we've got the BILSTEIN B14 Coilovers, we've got Powerflex bushes for the front and rear, and the H&R Roll Bars and wheel alignment as well. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, and then you won't miss any of our new videos go live. So we're going to get the car in the workshop and talk you through some of the parts and show you some before and afters. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we've got the transporter on the ramps behind me, just about to get up in the air, start removing some of the standard parts. And we've got all the parts going to be upgrading with today out here in front of us. So we're just going to walk you through them. So we've got the BILSTEIN B14 kit, we've got the H&R adjustable anti-roll bars, and then we've got the Powerflex bushes as well that are going to go on the front and rear of the car. So BILSTEIN B14 kit, so upgraded dampers and springs from the standard kit, and so obviously improve the handling of the vehicle. Also will allow you to adjust the ride height as well with these adjustable spring perches on the front and then on the rear of the car as well. So you can get the ride height just how you like. So obviously if you're fitting aftermarket wheels, the arch gap's going to be a little bit different, so you can sort of like have it how you like. And also you can obviously raise it up a little bit as well should you need to. You've got the H&R Roll Bars, replace the factory ones, and you've also got a little bit of adjustment here as well, so you can adjust the handling of the vehicle. And then you've got the Powerflex bushes. So these polyurethane bushes replace the factory rubber bushes on the vehicle. Obviously over time the rubber bushes start to deteriorate and they add more compliance than is sort of like necessary. So you upgrade it with the Powerflex items. They compress less than the factory rubber bushing, so it improves the handling. And obviously if your factory bushes aren't in particularly good condition, then you need to get them replaced anyway. And these are lifetime warranted as well from Powerflex. So yeah, so we're going to get the car up in the air, or the van up in the air, and then remove the standard parts and then fit the upgraded parts. Obviously show the before and afters, and then let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.